Hey there and welcome back. This is episode number 4 of this epic desert backyard remodel, and if you missed the last episode where we framed out this beautiful floating deck, I'll have it linked on the screen above. Today we'll be focusing on facing this deck with a composite decking material called Trex, and to add a little bit of flair, we're going to picture frame it, only on a degree from YouTube. So the first thing you want to do when picture framing a deck is to picture frame it. That's the very first thing. So as we started to make our cuts, we did them mainly at a 45-degree angle. This is so that at each corner of the deck, our seams met perfectly. Now, as you can see, we didn't just surface the top of the deck, but we did the fascia as well. If you don't know what the fascia is, that is a board that wraps around the perimeter of the deck for a seamless look. Once we complete each corner of the deck, we can fill in between, and we'll end up with an awesome picture frame look. At this point, we're just adding our last few pieces of composite decking in to make this picture frame complete. And here it is. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Once you're completed building your picture frame, it's very straightforward from here. All you need to do is measure from end to end, make your cuts, and fill in between until completion. Rather than complaining about the heat or anything like that, I think I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this time lapse. And yeah, towards the end, there's going to be a little bit of a tutorial on how I installed this Trex composite decking, and stay tuned.
Blah, blah.
For the last few rows of this picture frame deck that need to be installed here, I really wanted to share with you guys the process of how this is done, especially for those of you who plan to do or construct a build similar to this in the near future. show the tool we use, which is the Camo Marker Pro, and how it works. Let's do it. All right, second to last piece, last non-custom piece. Let's do it. Cool. So all these pieces were cut to size because the factory cut, like I said earlier, isn't really that great. So you want to make your own straight edge. And what's great about this Marksman Pro is that it gaps it for you. You just stick a screw in on each side. Give it a little pressure. Shoot it in. Every 16 inches apart. All the way across the deck. Rinse and repeat. Piece. Here's our custom piece we just cut. And the final part of the deck. Now, is it perfect? I don't know. But in order to cut this last and final piece of the deck, which fell short of a perfect fit, we had to snap a line and use a circular saw to make our cut. Because this last and final piece was a custom cut, we were unable to use our camo tool. So instead, we just pre-drilled at an angle and used our impact to drill in the final screws. And there it is, we have finally finished this freestanding picture frame floating deck. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification because there are still many more episodes to come before this epic desert backyard remodel becomes truly epic.